Alaska, snowy Alaska, and we are still in Fairbanks. It snowed again this morning, and well, that's nothing new, but the temperature right now is 6 degrees Fahrenheit. We've had temperatures much colder, like minus 17 degrees Fahrenheit. Never had that in my life. And never had in my life what? Another experience. That was the Northern Lights the other night. Oh boy, what a show. So anyway, we're going out for our first time experience, and that is Snowmobile. I've wished to do this all my life, and today is the day. So well, first time for both of us, just like Northern Lights. And we'll see you there on our very first experience, super excited experience on the Snowmobile. See you there. There are various companies offering snowmobile adventures in and around Fairbanks, but the one we picked was rarest Alaskan guide service. This place is about 30 minutes drive from Fairbanks. They offer 1 hour, 2 hours, and a full day snowmobile adventure. We went for 1 hour. Of course, the path and the route you go is different for different tours, depending on the duration of your adventure. These are top-of-the-line luxury touring snowmobiles with heated hand grips, reverse, and an electric start. Also, the helmets are heated. Gloves, neck gaiters, jackets, and boots, all inclusive in the rental cost. And this is how the entire process works. Arrive at least 30 minutes before the departure time. Sign liability waiver, fit heated helmet and clothing. Get briefing on snowmobile safety and operation. Little snowmobile practice ride outside the office. And finally, here we go!